Hello guys, welcome back. In this video you can see the difference between an old and new engine mounting. If you are experiencing vibration coming from the engine compartment, this could be one of the reasons why. The engine mounting role is to absorb the shock and vibration coming from the engine. As you can see, the old one is badly damaged, not serving the purpose. It is mandatory to match the correct part for your car and have it replaced, as it can cause severe damage to other parts. It's very unsafe to drive with a broken or weak engine mount. In the auto repair industry, we call them impact noises, and they are often associated with an engine that is shifting around under the hood because of a damaged mount. In general, motor mounts do not have a scheduled replacement but should last between 5 to 10 years before dry rot or breaking from age-related failure. Motor mounts can get broken from slamming the vehicle, gears over-revving, and letting out clutch or power braking the engine before takeoff. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. In my next videos I will show you how easy it is to replace this engine mounting. Thank you for watching, bye bye for now.